I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder. Today I want to stop guessing which door is the way in and which door is the way out.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. Welcome to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. Today we read 4 signs that help you move through Korean buildings.
Real question. If I am in a mall in Korea, how do I know whether a door says entrance, exit, or emergency exit?
좋은 질문이에요. 입구 means entrance, the way in. 출구 means exit, the way out.
Today is vocabulary, not grammar. The goal is to recognize the sign quickly and say the word clearly.
오늘의 핵심은 네 단어예요. In English, remember 4 signs. Entrance, exit, emergency exit, and information desk. First, 입구. 입구 means entrance, the place where you go in.
입구 appears at malls, stations, museums, offices, and parking areas. If you need to enter, look for 입구.
Now, 출구. 출구 means exit, the place where you go out.
출구 is the normal exit. It is the sign you follow when you are leaving normally.
Next, 비상구. 비상 means emergency, so 비상구 means emergency exit.
For everyday living, use 출구. In an emergency, follow 비상구.
Last, 안내 데스크. 안내 means information or guidance, and desk means desk.
안내 desk is where you ask for directions, tickets, lost items, or basic help.
So, 입구 is in, 출구 is out, 비상구 is emergency out, and 안내데스크 is where I ask for help.
맞아요. At the one, you do not need a long sentence first. You need to recognize each sign and use one short question.
Here is the short question pattern. 입구가 어디예요? Means where is the entrance?
Let's hear it in a tiny building situation. The dialogue lines will give you entrance and exit together. 입구가 어디예요?
저쪽이에요. 출구는 이쪽이에요.
I heard, 입구가 어디예요? That asks, where is the entrance?
And 출구는 이쪽이에요 means the exit is this way.
Now listen to 비상구 in context. This is a safety word.
비상구가 어디예요?
복도 끝에 있어요.
비상구가 어디예요? That is asking about an emergency exit, not a normal way out of a shop.
Exactly. 비상구 is important, but it is not the word for every regular exit.
Now, 안내 데스크 in context. This is the helpful place when you are lost. 안내 데스크가 어디예요?
엘리베이터 옆에 있어요.
안내데스크가 어디예요? That is the sentence I want when I need help fast.
맞아요. 안내 데스크가 어디예요? is a very useful travel sentence.
Let's practice pronunciation. 입구 is short. Close your lips at the end of 입, then move into 구.
입구,
좋아요. 입구. One smooth word.
Now 출구. Start with 출, then move cleanly into 구.
출구,
맞아요. 출구 means exit.
Now 비상구. 3 syllables. 비, 상, 구.
비상구,
좋아요. 비상 means emergency, so 비상구 is emergency exit.
Finally, 안내 데스크. It is longer, but it breaks into 안내 and 데스크.
안내데스크,
완벽해요. 안내 데스크 is the desk for information and help.
a common mistake check. If I want the regular way out of a store, should I look for 비상구?
Usually, no. For the regular way out, look for 출구. 비상구 is for emergencies.
또 하나. If you need help, do not keep guessing doors. Ask for 안내 데스크.
quiz time. You are leaving a museum normally. Which sign should you follow?
I choose A. 출구, because I am just leaving normally.
정답이에요. 출구 is the regular exit. 비상구 means emergency exit.
One more quick check. You are lost and need help in a station. Which sentence is most useful?
A. 안내 데스크가 어디예요? Because I need the information desk.
맞아요. 안내 데스크가 어디예요 means where's the information desk? 정리해 볼게요. 입구는 들어가는 곳이에요. In English, 입구 means entrance. The place where you go in.
출구는 나가는 곳이에요. In English, 출구 means exit, the place where you go out.
비상구는 비상시에 쓰는 출구예요. In English, 비상구 means emergency exit, used in emergencies.
안내 데스크에서 도움을 받을 수 있어요? In English, you can get help at the information desk.
Today's keeper sentence is 안내 데스크가 어디예요? Where is the information desk?
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 안내 데스크가 어디예요?
You can now read the core signs for entering, exiting, emergencies, and getting help. 다음 시간에 만나요.